woman don't mean that your hairdo. Pretty nails and shoes don't mean you have to trim man away.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. I'm heading to a laser appointment. I'm supposed to be there at 12:15. It's now 12:19. Yeah, I don't know, I couldn't find my phone. It was just a hot mess. I already worked out this morning because I have a lot of errands to run today, and I decided to bring you guys along with me. And I know by the time I get back home, I probably will not feel like working out. So I got that in already this morning. Feel energized and ready to go. I'm only like 2 minutes away from the laser place. I've been doing laser for this year, and then with the pandemic, it's been on and off. But laser is more of a permanent solution. I used to do waxing before. Waxing is definitely more painful than getting the laser done, and it's a lot faster for me. I know everybody's body is different, but for me, it's not as painful as getting the wax, and it definitely doesn't last as long. And I'm gonna say again, at least for me, like I go right through. I don't stop, just do it and get it over with, you know? So I'm heading there now. I'm about to turn in, actually, I believe right now. Yeah. So then I have a couple more errands to run, some stuff to return. Your girl gotta go back to Ulta because that hair product did not work for me. I need my coins back. And I want to go to IKEA. I want to do some food shopping. Yeah, it's a lot to do. I can park over here. Yeah, it's a lot to do, so that's the plan. So yeah, let me get my mask and go ahead. And I could vlog inside, but I'm gonna bring you guys inside anyway, just in case, maybe just show you guys the room. But yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, he sets my body in motion. He knows how to turn things up. And he knows what gets me going. Yeah, like a little text saying, hey, what's up? They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation.
All right, y'all, so I'm done. Right now it's 1 o'clock, 1 minute after 1. Took longer than I expected. When I got there, there was already someone waiting before me. Of course, y'all know I was late. Then it just took a longer wait. I mean, I didn't go into the room until like 12:40, 45-ish, around 12:40. So there's an Ulta near me right now, but that's also where the Trader Joe's is, and I want to go to Trader Joe's and do some food shopping after I'm done doing everything and head home. So I think it's better for me to go to IKEA first. Let me see how far IKEA is. 9 miles away, 22 minutes. So yeah, I'll do that. I'll go to IKEA first, see what I could pick up. All right, y'all, so finally made it here. I'm about to walk in to IKEA. For some reason, there's a whole lot of construction going on, but hopefully I can get everything done within an hour and be out of here. Alright, y'all, still in IKEA. I want to get something like this to replace my nightstand with. They have like very deep drawers, but I would want it in like a white or gray color. This is how it looks with the bedroom set display. This little bed like chair thing looks really nice and comfy. It's actually $300. It's like a nice outdoor seating area. I really like this setup. Even the bathroom setup looks really nice. So I like this gray one. Has nice deep drawers, just like the other one. It's $49. This one up here looks a bit better, but it's $79. And this small one down here is $39. I really like these. These are pretty cool too. I picked this up already. It's only $8.99. So over here is where you pick up your items from the bin numbers. If you guys haven't been to IKEA before, I've really been looking at these fake plants. Maybe after I set up my area, I will see if I can get one of these. I don't even see a price on them. Okay, it's $24 and $39. Not bad. So let me go check out, see what the damage is. I'm not gonna get the dresser just yet. I have 2 or 3 in mind. I just wanna look at them some more before I decide. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm done with IKEA. I'm seriously hungry right now. All I had this morning was a protein shake. Right now it's 3:23. So I'm gonna head to Starbucks and get a drink. Guys, so change of plans. That Starbucks does not have a drive-through. Your girl is not trying to find a park, get out the car and do all that. Nope. So I'm just gonna hold my hunger in a little bit longer. I already put in my GPS to just head straight to Ulta. Go to Dollar Tree, but I'll probably do that tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna do it today. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do it today. I actually want to go to a Dollar Tree in like a different neighborhood. Even though my neighborhood isn't like a hood neighborhood, but I want to try like a neighborhood more west for a Dollar Tree to see if they have more stuff. I was actually thinking about traveling for my birthday. I don't even know. Like, how do you guys feel about traveling right now? I mean, I'm not trying to get sick again, but I don't know. Like, I just feel like I want to do something. And I've been seeing all like people that I know from like New York. Everybody's been going to Jamaica. Jamaica's like wide freaking open, but I think like you're like confined to the resorts. I even looked at prices for like airfare. Super inexpensive right now. I don't know. I think I might just end up going to New York and just chill with my family. I don't know yet, but I'm starting to think about it because it's September. My birthday is 2 months away. Basically 2 months away. My birthday is November 13th, and by the way, y'all, I am a Scorpio. Okay? Let me know, have you guys been traveling throughout this time? Like, how do you guys feel about traveling right now? Alright, y'all, heading to Trader Joe's now. Just left Ulta, heading to Trader Joe's now. Shouldn't be too long in here. The line is not really that long outside. I only see like one person waiting, but yeah.
Thinking we had too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to?
So I'm gonna get some pistachios, but I'm like crazy addicted. Once I start, I can't stop. Yeah, I think just the pistachios. Here's what I have in my cart so far: bananas, pistachios, raspberries. I have the sour cream, ricotta cheese. Yeah, I'm making like 3 different meals in one go right now. Okay. Found a turkey bacon, so I'll pick that up. Cilantro, spinach. They don't have the whole wheat penne pasta, so I'm gonna have to stop by another supermarket to get that. These are another one of my favorites, but it has 21 grams of sugar, so I'm not even gonna play myself right now. 14 grams of sugar. Yeah, like everything has sugar. This is the good selection for if you just want to have like a quick meal. So over here I have the stuff that I got from IKEA, and then I gotta try to fit the stuff from Trader Joe's in here. It's kind of blurry, but you guys will see. So this is how the trunk looks right now. I love these alkaline waters from Trader Joe's. I think I'm gonna take a banana to eat right now. So y'all know your girl has not eaten yet and I'm starving. That banana is not that ripe. Y'all know the worst thing to do is go food shopping when you're hungry, because everything looks good. I usually go to the Publix closest to my house, but just because this is already in the direction to home, I'll just stop here. I'm pretty sure they'll have what I need. So that's the 3 things that I need: avocado, pasta, and corn. And I'm not gonna touch nothing else, no matter how good it looks. I'm just gonna leave it alone. All right, I'll be back.
Why do I need to be good all the time?
So y'all, I kind of stuck to what I said I was gonna get. I got the pasta, corn. Over here I have the avocados, but I picked up some star fruit. That's very ripe. That's gonna go down so good today. So yeah, just waiting to check out, and then that's it. We'll be back in the car. So I'm back home. I'm gonna show you guys what I got from IKEA first. So I got this knife. I had this one before and it just started getting dull, but I had this for like maybe 2 or 3 years and it lasts really, really long. It's the chef knife. I think it's 8-inch chef knife. I got these storage containers that have different compartments. Inside you have these individual compartments to separate your meal. I also got this set of plastic containers with lids in here. I got this big container to store stuff in. I got 2 of these actually. So there are 3 little ones, different sizes to put your candles in. Super cute. Here's the big one. And then I got 2 glass containers for my meals. I prefer glass anyway. Nice lock, sealed. And so we're gonna move on to Trader Joe's. Show you guys what I got. Got some raspberries, some grapes. You know, I love me some grapes. Those, I'm gonna be making like some sweet potato shell tacos. Olive oil. And y'all, I had to make like 5 trips upstairs. Annoying. These freaking Trader Joe's bags come with no handle. Normally they have handles, but for some reason I would have probably made everything in like 2 or 3 trips. Your girl made 5 trips. All right, this is ricotta cheese, part skim. and this is light sour cream. Have some bananas and pistachios. I told you guys I am addicted to these, but these are just for snack. And some peanuts. I have some corn tortilla shells for some chicken tacos that I'm making. Some ground basmati rice. This is peanut butter, peeled tomatoes, and a can for my big ziti. Different spices. I'm making like my own taco seasoning. And then I have some chicken broth. I have these 2 almond milks. This is just backup for when my milk runs out and I don't want to go to the supermarket. Sunflower spray. So over here I have some cilantro, a bag of baby spinach. I have my salmon. I'm gonna cut this 2 nights. Turkey bacon, mozzarella cheese, pack of blueberries, 2 packs of blueberries, sweet potato fries, and then I have this cauliflower stir fry that I'm gonna try. I also got this from IKEA. I forgot, it's a candle holder, but you guys can see alkaline water. 12 bottles. I have 2 cases. The other one is still in the car because your girl was not trying to go back downstairs. And yeah, your girl did a lot today. So I'm about to go put all this stuff away and season up the salmon because that is going down tonight. I want to eat before 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna make some salmon. So I'll let you guys, I don't know if I'm gonna record it. I might record it and let you guys see how I make it. So stay tuned.
Time. Yeah, it gets when I'm in a bad mood. Then he knows how to make it alright. Yeah, I get that he got a history, but I don't wanna think about no other than us. They look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us, thinking we are too much. Look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation. They be looking at us. Why do I need to be good all the time? Finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway. Why do I need to be good all the time? Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah. Nah, nah, nah. No drama, yeah, yeah. He's got a bad history, but what about it? Yeah, he's got a bad history, but I want him anyway. So look at me, I'm in a bad situation. Look at him, he's got a bad reputation, but what about it? Why do I need to be good all the time? I'm wrapped around his finger, but he is mine. Don't care what they say, too late anyway.
Alright guys, about to eat my taco. So yummy. I love salmon. Really, really good. So I'm gonna go eat my dinner. My dad is already on the phone talking to my sister. So I'm gonna jump back on that phone call and I'll see you guys.
I feel flame. All who did not know me when not done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.